open mic night stand-up comedy?
I got some current events. That's all about current events.
Well, we'll call that Jokes with Pete. Would you like to hear a joke? Without further ado, welcome to the stage, Pete the Heat, for a section of our show we like to call Jokes with Pete.
Well, Justin Bieber is back in the news. He's trying to grow a mustache. That's not a joke, he really is. Kind of looks like early Kevin Federline. But anyway, I clicked on another article, and it said when he was arrested in Miami on suspicion of DUI, they found high levels of alcohol, marijuana, and Flintstones chewables in his blood. That's not a joke either.
Take that, Canada. I actually love Canada. Make some noise for Canada, our northern neighbor. I built a small wall up in the 80s. It didn't work. Switched to liberalism. We need some more coloring contest entrants. I tell you what, you don't even have to tip us. You can just come grab crayons and a black and white. Hey, it's got him sold. He does. I don't have to tip. Great. Make some noise for the only George Brett fan in the building. We're going to do one for Girls Town. That's Jacob Jagger on the drums tonight. This song is called 5 Gallon Bucket. Hey, Doug, can I see your ring for a second? Not that one. I said, Doug, this one goes out to you. Don't mess with Doug. He may or may not be in a game. I've got a 5-gallon bucket full of tears, and I'm shipping it to your door. Just let me know the next time you're running low, and I'll hear your voice, and I will make some more. Sitting at home, and once again I'm all alone, and there's nothing to do but cry. Mama, I could be rich if I could steal all this, but these times still, man, no one wants you back. And now I've got a 5-gallon bucket full of tears, and I'm shipping it to your door. Just let me know the next time you're running low, and I'll hear your voice and I will make some more. Make those kids, here goes Girls Town. Make some noise, Beerline. For those of you who just came in, we have a coloring contest going on. You don't have much time.